Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this very rare 1980 Land Rover Series 3 109 inch soft top stage 1, which means it's got the V8 in it, factory V8. Very rare car. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of start up and hot start up and idling on this Series 1 stage 1. Sorry, Series 3 stage 1. Starts nicely, settles down to a nice idle. Now we'll look under the bonnet. Stage 1 V8 idling here. Obviously it's got aftermarket air filters on it. We have got the original air filter box though. Just doing what it should. Next up, driving. Okay, let's take this 1980 Land Rover Stage 1 109 for a spin, showing 29,000 miles. Now it's been apparently almost all its life on an airfield as the fire vehicle. As you can see here, it's all the original fire stuff. So we think that mileage is probably correct. We can't warrant it, but the overall condition of the vehicle would indicate that is correct. Now, one thing, I'm not wearing a seatbelt because it hasn't got seat belts in it because it's been an airfield control vehicle. We will, however, fit some static seat belts to it for a new owner if required. Not a problem. Right, all light ignition light come up as they should. And starts nicely. Go. Now, being a factory V8, it's got the proper gearing and everything as well, which is useful on one of these rather than someone just bunging a V8 in. So proper gearbox, proper diffs. Now the fuel gauge is working, but it doesn't look as if the water temperature or the aftermarket oil temperature or pressure gauges are, but there's no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy, or importantly overheating. Now you will get some rattling because the camera's mounted on the side window there, but the vehicle itself is actually pretty rattle free. Steers where it's placed. I'm not having to fight it down the road. And it just trundles on quite happily. Still no rocket ship even with the V8, it's fair to say. V8 is pretty understressed in terms. Yeah, just get some with it. Put the sirens on. It's fun. I think this is the first time I've driven a stage 1 for probably 15 years. They are very rare vehicles. fine. The drivetrain feels pretty solid. Not making any funny noises. Doing what it's supposed to. Actually, no, I'll keep going. Back in place anyway. You won't see many of these on the Land Rover. And the suspension isn't crashy either, obviously being a series, it doesn't ride as well as a modern vehicle. Brakes does the job, do the job. So, I think there we have it. Hope you enjoyed that. Sorry, the camera mounts moved a bit. Anyway, no need to worry about that.